So this is a long overdue award we have for Mark. We want to present you with the Lifetime Dedication Award from Indigenous Education. This is from our gala we had November 6th of last year. And as you'll see momentarily how fabulous the award is and why it took so long. But we would just like to thank you again for all your service, your commitment to the community and to our tribe and all of our family. And we appreciate you and we love you. And for you, for
yeah, come.
Who did this and spelled my name wrong?
Here, just set your drum down for a minute.
You're welcome.
Do you want me to talk?
All right, and then the youth would like to thank Uncle Sonny for his dedication to supporting us through thick and thin, always coming out, making sure the youth are educated, they understand that etiquette at the circle, you're always the first one out here. You've never said no, whether it been playing a certain role that I won't say the name of, because there's little ones, or helping out with the circle and teaching them. We just want to let you know how much we truly appreciate everything you do for our youth, and we hope that you continue to come out. So this is Ivy made it.
A long time ago.
A long time ago. And now Braden gets drum. At the inauguration there was a song written for my dad. It's an honor song, and we would like to have Braden sing it in honor of the two of you for everything you've done for our community.
I'm just so proud that I've been able to help the community, especially the young people, to learn our culture and to promote our culture. I see the young faces out here, and I'm really glad to see them. I know that's our future. when we first got reorganized, we reorganized to bring the people together, to let the public know who we are and what we are and what we're about. And I'm just so glad that 1978, I think, was when we were first legally allowed to have our ceremonies, and here it is 2026, and we can still have our ceremonies, and bigger and better than ever. And just thank you all for all your help for all the years.
I guess I'm just old. One of the things that I wanted to really talk about is this gentleman that's sitting right next to me. We met, we were 3 or 4 guys somewhere in that area. And we've been working towards doing the great thing for our people ever since. I'm supposed to be talking about myself, but I'm going to tell you something. I couldn't make a decision without him. When I needed support, he was always there. And I don't think that any award can top what he's done on our behalf. And he's switched over from helping me to help the tribe. And he's been a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful asset to what we're about and what we're trying to do. So, speaking about myself, there's nothing really. I think that the Creator put me in the right place at the right time, and I had an obligation to fulfill what He put in front of me. The first thing that He did when I left home is He put me down with the Piscataways in Maryland. Then He took me to, oh my gosh, he took me down to Millsboro, Delaware. He just took me from place to place where I needed to be to push our families forward. And I had a family at home that was pushing me to do the right thing. So all everything that I have to say is about the Creator. He guided me and pushed me forward.